This is called getting stuff done, Parv. GSD, baby. Getting stuff done.
So what are we doing today?
Well, we're trying to get the Harvest Beetle, the convertible HP 25. That's our goal today, is to get this thing wrapped up, because we got 5-6 weeks to the harvest. October 26th, somebody's gonna drive home in that beautiful red convertible over there. So we're wrapping it up. Got people just working on all kinds of things. Martin's working on the tunnel assembly over there. Tommy's working on the brakes. I'm working on this tin for the alternator. El Breto's over there straw bossing, see? He's chief straw boss.
Jake's being the best Jake you can be. Jake's the best. Just grinding my life away. It's not grinding, it's wire wheeling. Wire wheeling in the USA. This is how you know if you're a good wire wheeler or not, as you inspect your belly. And if there's little bitty pokes all in you, then you know you're doing a good job.
I saw the end of the tube.
No, there's that.
Okay.
That's the end of the thing. It is laid outside somewhere. What it is it's passing through that tube. All right.
Always cleaning something.
Bang away, car, bang away.
Yeah, don't get that on that.
Willie. Good boy, Willie. Don't eat part of his face off.
Oh, really?
We should find that cat and print it. Work at all. So these have a tendency to get wore out like this, based on the way that the cable gets hooked in there, and even some of the old ones we have pretty wore out too. So this is a good one, and what I've done is I've gone in and I've rounded over the edge right there, and then I'm just smoothing it up to give it a little bit more help of not having to fold itself over.
BW 35020. That's This thing's been messed with before and never been done right. It's been just jury rigged 100 different times. So we're gonna do it right. So Martin's cut out the piece of the tunnel. Now he's gonna get a bracket and he's gonna like really basically triangulate where it welds in. We saw it, the life of the car will be fine. '23 window. Look at that.
And what year?
61, baby.
61.
All works. Closes.
First ever high hinge.
Locks.
We don't have brass ones like that.
You know?
Good thing you got the catch pan up.
Uh-oh. Getting them far.
We're not. We're a little dark underneath here for you. Can't see anything. Awesome.
We don't need beauty rings.
Nope.
We don't need dash fresh air vents.
Nope.
We don't need dash pad.
Nope. Fresh air hoses we're good with.
We are. Fresh air intake seal.
Yeah, we got all that.
3 holes under hood plugged.
Oh yeah, well, that's all.
Okay. New top. New
Yep.
rear glass. Car man badge.
Yep.
Yeah, we got that.
We have
It's
that.
on there.
Flat turn signal bases. Well, got that. Look at this.
Headlight rings. Seat belts are in. We got seat belts.
Speaker grills, mesh.
They're painted.
Speedo gels, done.
They're nice.
Door jam switch seals.
Yeah, half.
Okay. Door striker paint off. Let's check.
Door striker paint is free of paint.
Clear. Tar board done. Acorn nuts for the wiper arms.
They are nice and pretty on this one.
Done. Remove stickers on windshield.
This is El Bretto, but
El Bretto stays.
El Bretto stays.
Carpet kit, done. Convertible top canvas, done. Door cards, not yet. Glove box.
Door box is done.
Firewall seal.
That's done.
Shifter.
Shifter's in.
Woo! Woo! Deck lid seal.
Yeah, you know what? Par finished off the shifter. So
Thank you, Parv. Good job. Deck lid seal.
deck lid seal's in.
Hood seal.
Hood seal's in.
Shocks, front and rear.
We got shocks in or
Alternator, not chrome. We got it, but
we
just,
got
it
it.
needs to be installed. Rubber floor mats.
yeah, they're in. And they're from
Dang.
Wolfsburg West.
All right. Clutch, motor,
Pedal assembly.
pedal assembly. Okay. What else?
Drive and enjoy. Yeah,
Clutch,
once that
motor.
motor goes in, there's not much left to do after that. Pedal assembly's halfway done. It just needs to be assembled because we got it all
Dry.
painted.
Okay. Let that dry overnight. Golly. Door jam switch seals.
Oh yeah. I
And
got-
door cards. CB ball joint disc drop spindles.
Got those disc brakes all around.
Disc
so.
brakes and Porsche pattern. All right, everybody. First of all, thank you, Parv, for filming and editing, buddy. Chief editor in charge. It was a hectic day, but we got a lot done. I mean, if you saw us just marking off the list,
We're cruising today.
yeah, we got stuff done today. I'm very proud of us. Harvest is October 26th. Hutto, Texas, Brushy Creek Amphitheater. This red convertible can be yours.
Can't be yours. You
Oh,
drive
Marcus.
away with it.
You can't win.
No, I don't want it.
You know, Martin says he doesn't want
I
it.
already got cars that don't run.
Yeah, well, this one runs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, this one runs.
Conflict of interest.
Yeah, that's true. That would not be a good look. Alberto, do you want to win this car?
He can't even win
No,
it.
you can't win it. Sorry, Alberto.
As much as I think that would be cool, but I don't think that's
that would be cool.
too close to it.
Yeah, too close to the thing. So anyway, it's exciting. October 26th. Make sure you come out to DW Harvest, Hutto, Texas, Brushy Creek Amphitheater. This car is going to be raffled off for $10. Tickets are only available that day.
Day of show, that way you're there when you win it.
That's
and
right.
get to drive it away.
And we get to film you driving it, and I get a new empty spot in my shop. That's the best part of the whole thing right there.
Yeah.
That's what's going to make me happy. Then the 23 window comes in. You guys are awesome. Thanks for joining us again. Thanks, shout outs to Parv. Thank you guys for joining us today. Make sure you tell your aunts and your uncles, everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about. Get out and build a harvest beetle.
That's exactly what it's about. Get out and build a
All
harvest.
right, later, guys.
Thanks, Parv.
Big hammer. When in doubt, get a big hammer. When in doubt.